everybody else, trying to save space. I decided that I would buy some new bits. In my last video, I actually discussed this one right here. This was a nice collection, although for some reason the automatic press open, there we go, doesn't always work. So basically have to give it a little shake, and then it does come out, so that's great. But I also thought, although this is sort of a fine handle, I did something a little beefier. I ended up getting this one here. Much like the previous one, it doesn't really have a lot of space to store tools, so I'm just trying to become a little more efficient. So again, I have no idea what this tool means, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and get this open. Let's see. So one of the reasons why I chose this particular group of tools is I actually like the design. I like the geometric shape of the holder. And the box, very simple, very easy to stack on each other. I can stack that one right here, and I think I have a third one coming in. It's actually a very similar shape as well. So this one actually has two, much like the other one. You can push to open. I'll show you that. Oh, there we go. You push and they open. You slide them out. This one side has the handle. The other side has the actual extension and the bits, and it's got a great selection of bits. This will be probably most of what I'll need for this size. Anything smaller, and I'll go back to this one here. As you can see, it doesn't want to open all the time. There we go. For anything smaller, I'd probably be using this one here. As you can see, it's got a great selection of bits. I gotta figure out why this isn't. I think it's just suctioned in there too well. Let's see, so we've got the handle here. Let's see if we just pop that out. I don't want to see if I want to come out. Yep, that side. Looks like in the handle, I've got a full set of bits here, color coded. To add on to the color coded set here. On the other side. Let's see, that nice one sits in there. And this just comes right out. I don't know if, I didn't feel like there was any type of magnetic bond there, but I don't think that's going to be an issue, because really it's got that nice clip into the handle. That's nice and strong. My hope, this is what I would purchase these, was there's going to be a nice magnetic catch there, and that is actually that's pretty strong. I can't imagine losing bits out of this, but it's nice, it's simple, it's compact. It's a great use of space, great design. I'm a big fan. I'm really glad that I made this purchase. I hope this helps any of you out there that's looking to shop for some new screwdrivers and some bit sets. I don't know about you, but I work on anything from computers to models to some electronics. So some of these bits I don't run into that often, but when I do, I'm glad that they're there.
If you have found this video helpful, please like and subscribe below.